Everyone, Pamela Nauta, your Metro Denver real estate agent, and I am here in Southeast Aurora at the beautiful Southshore development, and we are going to check out the DILLON II floor plan by Richmond Homes. DILLON II floor plan is in the ridge at Southshore and being carried over into the next phase at the MEAD at Southshore. And building a home here also allows you access to the two beautiful clubhouses and pools that the Southshore residents already enjoy. And if you are new to this beautiful community in Southeast Aurora, I will include the link to my Southshore community video in the comments below for you to check out. And so the Richmond home DILLON II floor plan has 3 elevations that you can choose from. This is a 2-story single-family home with a 2-car garage, and there's approximately 3,200 square feet and 3 to 6 beds and 2.5 to 6 baths. The base price is $768,950, and there are available lots to choose from, and also some spec homes available in the ridge at Southshore if that is more conducive to your timing. This home has dramatic 2-story entrance, a spacious great room with vaulted ceilings, a fireplace, a formal dining room, and a beautiful gourmet kitchen and center island. You can also personalize this floor plan with a finished basement, a covered patio, a sunroom, and this floor plan really allows for a lot of options. If you like the Southshore community, there is still opportunity to build and live here. So let's chat and we can discuss options for building your new home in Southshore. And if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me and like, subscribe, and comment. Enjoy the tour.